Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I have with me Bose QuietComfort Ultra 2nd generation earbuds, and in this video I am going to show you how to make multi-point connection for these earbuds. So let's start. So here you can see I have iPhone on this side, and on other side I have Android tablet. So first of all you have to download Bose app. So I already installed Bose app from App Store. I will open this app, and here you have to sign in with your Bose account. If you don't have Bose account, you can sign up from here, but I don't want to use my account, so I will select this option of do it later. And then from here you have to select this first option for headphones, earbuds, portable speakers and frames. So I will select it, and then it will start searching for nearby devices, and here you can see it is showing Bose QC Ultra 2 earbuds. I will select this connect option. And here you can see these earbuds are now connected with this app. So I will select this get started option, and here you can use all the features and functions. Now in the next step you have to select this source option. So I will select this source option, and then you have to enable this multi-point connection option. So I will enable this multi-point connection option, and in the next step you have to select this option of add new. So I will select this add new option, and then you have to turn on your Bluetooth on your other device. So I will open my Bluetooth settings. So I will open my Bluetooth settings, and then I will turn it on from here. And here you can see it is showing Bose QC Ultra 2 earbuds. So I will select it, and then it will start pairing with these earbuds. So here you can see I have this option of pair. So I will select this pair option. And here you can see Bose QC Ultra 2 earbuds are now connected with this device. So I will select this allow option, and on your iPhone it is also showing you this Android tablet as well. So here you can see it is showing Sam Tab S10 Plus, which is my Android tablet. And now you can see these earbuds are now connected with both of these devices. So same way you can add up to 8 devices for these earbuds, but please note that the earbuds can be actively connected to 2 devices at a time. So this is for today's video. Please like this video and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.